Within the Earth's crust, magma moves, builds up and erupts, forming volcanoes. But what happens at the Earth's surface when large volumes of magma is erupted? I'm Sophie, a volcanologist at the British Geological Survey. During an explosive eruption, large volumes of magma is expelled from the magma system. In large enough eruptions, some of the overlying rock is blasted away, leaving behind a surface depression known as a caldera. Calderas can also form from the collapse of surface rocks, if enough magma is erupted or moves away in the subsurface. And calderas can be enormous, like Yellowstone in the USA, which is about 80 kilometers across at its widest point. That's about the same distance as Edinburgh to Glasgow. And here's a simple experiment to show what this kind of collapse looks like on the Earth's surface. So for this experiment, we'll use a tray of flour and a balloon and a tube to add and remove air. We're going to let air escape from the balloon and simulate a major eruption. As the balloon deflates, imagine magma being removed from the subsurface. As magma is removed, the ground begins to subside, and once the magma is gone, the ground above becomes unstable and collapses into the space below. What we're left with is a large circular depression in the flour, and this is our caldera. You can see this process happening in calderas, like Kilauea volcano. This time lapse is from the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. Camera footage shows how Kilauea's summit changed between April and August 2018. In April, a lava lake fills the Halemaumau crater. In early May, the lava drains away, followed by weeks of explosive activity with gas and ash plumes. By the end of May, the crater and the surrounding caldera begin to collapse, a process that continues until it suddenly stops at the start of August. The crater is now 7 times larger than it was before the collapse began. At BGS, we carry out research to improve understanding of volcanic processes, hazards, and associated impacts to support planning and preparation for future volcanic eruptions such as this.